What's going on, guys? Today we're here at the boat yard looking at a 2018 Excel 220 Bay. Take a look at the inside real quick. Minn Kota Riptide 80-pound trolling motor. Powered by a Yamaha 200 4-stroke, 86 hours on the engine. Atlas jack plate. I'm about to do a tank test. Sweet.